Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.5% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.4% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World share markets stumbled as US bond yields hit 9-month peaks, with the dollar shrugging off a US credit downgrade to hit a 4-week high, and the British pound dipping after the BOE raised interest rates. Coinbase shares jumped after the market close as the crypto exchange reported revenues of $708 million and adjusted earnings of a loss of 42 cents, beating analyst estimates of revenues of $628 million and earnings per share of a loss of 76 cents. The South African rand weakened further, having slumped more than 6% this week, amid concerns over global economic growth and a US credit rating downgrade.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's factory orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.